Each year during Holi, many community animals lose their eyesight, suffer injuries, and endure abuse in the name of celebration. This Holi, make sure to protect your community animals. Here are 5 ways you can help. Do not throw colors or water balloons at them. Synthetic colors can be toxic and cause skin and eye irritation. Avoid sharing sweets with them. Holi sweets contain sugar, artificial ingredients, and nuts that can harm dogs. Provide shelter for injured, frightened, or anxious dog that you may see. Do not use kerosene or other spirits to remove colors. If an animal gets colored, gently clean using plain water and mild shampoo. Raise awareness among people, especially kids, and teach them compassion. Inform them about the laws protecting animals and the legal consequences of harming them. Share this information in your community's WhatsApp group before Holi to help spread people more aware. Let's make this Holi safe for our community animals.